Hello everyone, welcome back to stock market updates for 7th of January 2026. The Indian stock markets ended the day on a weak note. The Nifty 50 index down by 37.95 points, closed at 26,140.75. The BSE Sensex down by 102.20 points, closed at 84,961.14, and the Nifty Bank down by 127.55 points, closed at 59,990.85. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, IT, consumer durables, pharma, healthcare index and media emerged as the leading gainers, while auto, oil and gas, realty, PSU bank and FMCG ended in the red, and private bank and metal closed unchanged. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Titan, HCL Technologies, Wipro, Tech Mahindra and Jio Finance. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Cipla, Maruti, Power Grid, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicle and Max Healthcare. On the NSE today, a total of 3,246 stocks were actively traded. Among these, 1,578 stocks advanced in value, reflecting positive movement, while 1,550 stocks declined, indicating downward pressure. 118 stocks unchanged by the close of the session. Domestic institutional investors were net buyers, investing about 2,991.95 crore in NSE. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers, with total net outflow of 1,668.80 crore in NSE. Let us take a look at market news. Shares of Titan Company Limited are in focus after the company reported a strong quarterly 3 update. Domestic sales grew 38% year-on-year, led by higher average selling prices. Even as buyer growth remained flat, the jewelry business rose 41% year-on-year, while CaratLane posted 42% growth. Gold coin sales nearly doubled compared to quarterly 3 financial year 2025. Supporting overall revenue growth. Shares of Cipla Limited fell about 2% on Wednesday after the US Food and Drug Administration flagged multiple compliance issues at Pharmathen International, which is the Cipla's partner for lanreotide in the US. The FDA cited lapses in contamination controls, aseptic processing, and laboratory procedures, weighing on investor sentiment. President Donald Trump announced that interim authorities in Venezuela have agreed to transfer 30 million to 50 million barrels of sanctioned crude oil to the United States to be sold at prevailing market prices. According to Trump, the revenue from those sales will be managed under his authority and is intended to benefit both Venezuelans and Americans. Shares of HDFC Bank Limited fell for a third straight session on a Wednesday, January 7th, remaining among the top losers on the Nifty Bank after a large block deal. About 1.84 crore shares changed hands at an average price of Rs 950, valuing the deal at 1,756 crore. Buyer and seller details remain undisclosed. Total traded value crossed 3,750 crore with over 85% delivery volume, indicating sustaining selling pressure. This concludes today's market update. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more market updates. See you in the next market update.